I'm going to try to sneak on Louro. See if he can talk to me. He sees me now. Ah, oi, Louro. Okay, we're gonna have to come back later. You don't want to talk now, Louro? Mommy quer café. Here's the coffee. The coffee's making. Hopefully, by the time I have the smell of the coffee, you start talking. Dá o pé, Louro? This is Jackie. Hey, Jackie. 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 Hey, Jackie. Aren't you comfortable? Oi, Louro. Dá o pé, Louro? Louro, dá o pé? Obviously, I'm speaking Portuguese with him. He can say hello. Oi, Louro. Just hi, Louro. Mommy quer café. Mommy wants coffee. He laughs very loudly. He calls all the children's names. And normally is screaming. I think he's copying me. And he says hello. But it seems every time I turn the camera, he stares. You listening to me? Okay. I'm gonna have to make a big tape and then edit. Sometimes you can make him be quiet. Alright, that's another one outside. Okay.